में है ये, to watch a movie internationally which touched all of us. आप उसके कितने बड़े fan थे to begin with?
I mean, I think पहली आई थी 80s में
जी.
and obviously I've been a fan of Jackie Chan always. I think he's a legend. And but since then I've been following Karate Kid and सभी फिल्में बहुत पसंद आई थी. फिर कोबरा का आया. So I've followed everything. I've always been a fan of Karate Kid.
Jackie Chan smiles a lot. Do we agree, guys? He's smiling all the time. You must have had to smile a hell of a lot for this or dubbing.
इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्माइलिंग नहीं था.
Actually, हाँ, yeah. But nonetheless, it must have been. Was it a challenge for you as well? ये आपका Hollywood debut है, and you know you're dubbing.
No, I think it was very comfortable. We started and we wrapped up very fast. In fact.
Was there a scene that you remember, both of you remember from the film that you thought was really interesting? उसका कोई BTS while you were dubbing together? Were you dubbing together?
We hardly dubbed together.
Okay. But any moment in the movie that you love? You, I'll come to you first.
I love the moment when he's training him. So there's a scene where he's training him and he's really taking the life out of him, and that just reminds me of this guy.
That's why you're here.
आप पोल खोल रहे हैं क्या? पापा की पोल खोल रहे हैं? तो क्या पापा ने आपको ट्रेन किया है मतलब? That's what you're saying.
बहुत. He trains me every time we go to the gym together.
Ajay ji, you have to tell us about this. मतलब युग का ये debut है, we can't not know.
But I'm hardly in the gym with him.
So what is the training he's
Most of the
talking
time he
about?
trains himself. Earlier I used to train him. Now he trains me.
Oh, do you want to thank Sony Pictures for doing this for the two of you to come together? Because you being in this frame, the whole media, the whole world watching this, for you to be part of something which is so up your alley, like you and action is synonymous. It's like you don't have to say the two words separately. आपको दोनों के आने का और Sony Pictures को क्या कहना है?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I think they thought of this, and in fact, when you got this offer, he got very excited. More than anything, he got excited that at this age he wants to work, and he actually wants to work. Not in the film industry. He doesn't know as yet what he wants to do in life, but work. So, and when he started working, he was so excited and happy, and he started throwing tantrums also.
Oh, but you have this dialogue in the
He used to
film.
come home and say, "I'm a working man. I'm very tired. Don't disturb me."
You're ready, babe. You're so ready for this. I'm so excited for you, bro. Okay, so you have this line in the movie, Singham wala line. याद है आपको?
Yeah.
बताओगे? You want to say it in the style that you said in the film?
यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या?
अजय जी, सिंघम बन गया है कि बनने वाला है कि क्या हो रहा है?
I think सिंघम कोई किसी को नहीं बनाता. सिंघम बनाने वाला एक ही है.
Oh!